In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a door handle on a Ford Escape. It is located on the outside of the door. Once you've opened your door on the inside, you're going to have a little rubber plug here. You need to remove that plug. You can remove it by using a pick and pulling straight out. Once you remove that rubber plug, there's a T20 Torx bolt. You want to loosen that up until your lock mechanism pulls out. Once you remove your lock mechanism, take your handle, pull it straight out towards you and to the right. Once it comes out of this cavity, you want to pull towards you more and slide out. Before you install your new handle, your back side of the handle here has a horseshoe, and inside there's a peg. You want to put that around the peg. The front has a hook. You want to put that around the peg that's in there. So start your rear first. Around the peg, then push to your left. Once it's locked in, it should stay. You need to switch over your lock mechanism cover. By doing that, you just need to pull up on this tab with a pick and pulling straight towards you. Once you've lifted the back side, go to your side and do the same. Take your new cover, install it onto the round piece first, and then down in the back. Now you can install your lock by just sliding it in. Make sure it's flush with the door. Tighten your T20 Torx. Once you tighten your Torx, make sure your handle works. Then reinstall your plug. Now check if your door closes and opens.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.